If you are looking for affordable high-res player but portable enough to carry around to audition hi-fi systems or even listening to your IEMs or even listening in your car, this could be the one that you should consider. Hello everyone, welcome to Tabama Hi-Fi Review channel. Today I'm going to share my experience of using this X2 X5 portable high-res player with headphone amplifier stage featuring CS43131 DAC chip from Cirrus Logic dual chip design, and it has built-in headphone amplifier stage that can put out up to 270 milliwatt of power output with balance out. Let's wake it up and swipe it up and we can see all the setting menu. This is all the main setting, so power off time and all those setting. Language setting you can change to a bunch of different languages, and factory reset to formatting the SD card and all that you can change. I'm using Bluetooth with my vehicle, currently not connected. Wi-Fi is easy peasy, easily connected. This is the favorite button, so these are music that you will hear in this video, sound sample, such, and this is another playback option, so you can change all the play mode here. This is EQ setting, not using any EQ setting, but it can easily fine-tune it. And this is all the song selection. It icon looks like Apple Music, so hopefully they don't get trouble with that. And built-in storage, I'm not using it, but I'm using this SD card. So it says TF card. Used to call TF card back in the days. These are some of the music that I loaded to test it out into the SD card, and you will hear the sound sample as well. Pretty much it, all the basic setting and menu. I'm using different wallpaper. X5 menu system is simple and straightforward to use. Time to time, I felt a little sluggish movement changing between the setting and menu. Other than that, no major issues. Since I had this X5, I updated the firmware 2 times already, so now they have a little bit more snappier movements than when I received it, so which is nice improvement that they offer with recent updates. For driving power wise, this one totally suit to use. Most of the IEM, high efficiency IEM, should work well. In my case, I don't really listen my music with IEM or headphones. Those are, I only use them for monitoring purpose. So what I do is I listen music while I'm driving in my car. So I try that, right? Bluetooth work very good. It connected with LDAC connection, so which is, I really love that feature. The sound is much nicer and much better than listening through my CarPlay, streaming Tidal or Amazon UHD, because this one has internal storage. That's how I'm listening in my car. DSD256, BCM 384, so which is more than enough for most of music listening. Overall sound signature of this X5 is clean, neutral sound with a little bit of richness in across the frequency range. It's typical Cirrus Logic sound with X2 enhancement to it, so not too neutral sound either, so which is very enjoyable sound to listen. I was listening all of my music in the SD card in my car with my IEMs or my Sony monitor headphones, and it totally deliver good powerful sound if pairing component is right, especially if you're using IEM. Oh, by the way, you will hear a sound sample of this X5 recorded in my car at the beach, so just to have an experience, because I couldn't figure out the way of playing this X5 to give you sound samples, so that's what I did in my car. So I connected with that LDAC and sounded very nice together in my vehicle using that JBL 14 speaker, including the sub premium sound system. It sounded rich and well balanced sound with enjoyable to listen. So tonal balance, I have nothing to complain. Driving power, that is going to be as good as it can get in this price point of portable devices. So my favorite thing about this X5 is sound quality. $209 and we get very good high resolution sound with nice musicality that we can enjoy. I will be keep on using this X5 in my vehicle to listen my music with internal storage and the SD card option. It can take up to 1 terabyte of SD card, so which is pretty nice. Overall features and functions and sound quality, this is going to be as good as it can get for $209. High res capable, good neutral sound with a little bit of rich tonality that I can enjoy listening to. So you will hear that sound sample that I recorded in my vehicle at the beach. So please ignore the ambient noises might get into the microphone, recording microphone. Other than that, they sound great. So affordable, good sound quality, portable mobile device that you can enjoy. I can easily recommend it to you to try it, my friend. That is a review that I like to share with you. Thank you for watching and happy listening.
into my solitude, though I weary be. Come into my tenderness, dream along with me. Listen to the whispers sing, listen to the singer shout. Come into my solitude, meet my big mouth. Thoughts unspoken, thoughts unsaid, lies of hearth and home. Children broken on the bed and left to lie alone. Things you talk around, scum you choke on down. Come into my solitude, step on sacred ground. We were speaking of values and violence, breaking silence. thought it was the only one.